Ducati Panigale Fève 4SP2. The Ducati Panigale Fève 4SP2 is the epitome of Italian craftsmanship and engineering excellence. This superbike boasts a striking design with carbon fiber wheels, a dry clutch, and exclusive livery inspired by Ducati's MotoGP heritage. Powered by a 1,103 cubic centimeter Desmosedici Stradale engine, it delivers an impressive 214 horsepower, ensuring blistering speeds and unparalleled track performance. Equipped with advanced electronics, including cornering ABS, traction control, and slide control, the bike offers both power and safety. Released in 2022, the Panigale Fève 4SP2 represents Ducati's dedication to innovation. It is not just a bike, but a testament to Ducati's racing DNA, built for those who crave adrenaline. Whether on the track or the open road, delivers an unmatched experience. Price: $39,500. BMW M1000RR. The BMW M1000RR represents the pinnacle of German engineering in the superbike segment. It features a 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that produces 212 horsepower, with a top speed of 190 miles per hour. Its aerodynamic design includes winglets for added downforce and carbon fiber components for reduced weight. With advanced features like dynamic traction control and multiple riding modes, this technological marvel was first launched in 2021. It's a track-ready beast with road-legal capabilities, built for those who demand excellence. The M1000RR redefines speed, control, and precision in motorcycling. Price: $33,495. MV Agusta Rush 1000. The MV Agusta Rush 1000 is a futuristic hyper-naked bike that combines aggressive styling with breathtaking performance. Its 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine generates 208 horsepower, propelling it to speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. The bike's bold design includes a circular LED headlight, carbon fiber bodywork, and a single-sided swing arm. With Brembo Stylema brakes and Öhlins suspension, it offers precision handling and stability. Released in 2020, the Rush 1000 is a rare and stunning machine. This limited edition bike is a collector's dream, designed to stand out on any street. Its exclusivity and performance make it a legend among hyper-naked motorcycles. Price: $45,000. Harley-Davidson. The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is a luxurious touring motorcycle tailored for long-distance journeys in style. With its Milwaukee 8121V twin engine, it produces 125 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. The bike features exclusive paint finishes, a Rockford Fosgate sound system, and heated seats for ultimate comfort. Its aerodynamic design is complemented by the sleek Batwing fairing. Launched in 2023, this motorcycle exemplifies Harley-Davidson's legacy in luxury touring. A true icon in the touring segment, the CVO Road Glide combines ruggedness with elegance. It ensures every ride is a journey of supreme comfort and class. Price: $51,999. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a legendary, track-only machine designed for riders who crave extreme speed. Its 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline-4 engine produces a jaw-dropping 310 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful bikes in the world. Its aggressive styling features carbon fiber body panels, winglets for stability, and a trellis frame for strength and flexibility. First introduced in 2015, It remains the benchmark for high-performance motorcycles. This bike is a masterpiece of engineering, crafted for adrenaline junkies. Riding the H2R is not just a thrill, it's an unforgettable experience. Price: $56,500.